Good morning children, welcome to the math class. Today we will do question number 6 from exercise 9.5 chapter 9 algebraic expression and identities. Question number 6, using identities evaluate. Using identities evaluate. Question number 1, 71 square, in this way 99 square and so on. So first one, it is 71 square and you have to use identities. If you have to use identities, then what we can do here, 71 square. Can I write instead of 71, can I write 70 plus 1 whole square? Instead of 71, 70 plus 1, same value. Now I can use this one as A and I will consider 1 as B. So if it is, you can use this one as an identity A plus B whole square. Now 70 square A square plus 2 into A into B. B is our 1 and then 1 square. 70 square, 7 7 is 49, 0 0 plus 140 plus 1 square means 1. If we add all these, then we will get, add all these 4 9, you can add 4 9 0 0 140 and 1 0 4 1 can 0 5. So 5041, 1 was there, so 5041 and this is the answer. Now 4900 plus 140 plus 1 5041. Okay. Next one, 99 square. Instead of 99, students, you can check. Can I write 100 minus 1? 99 is same as 100 minus 1? Yes. 100 minus 1 whole square. 99 square, that means 100 minus 1 whole square. If I write 100 minus 1, that means A minus B whole square. I can consider 100 as A and 1 as B. Then it is A minus B whole square. According to that identity, I can write A square minus 2AB plus B square. Calculate 100 square means 1, 2, 3, 4, 10,000 minus 200. 200 plus 1. So 1000, 10,000 minus 200. 10,000 minus 200. 9800, 9800 plus 1. You have subtracted 200 from 10,000. Then after that plus 1 you need to add, and when you are adding this you will get 9801. We can get this answer 99 into 99 also. But as the question is using identities evaluate, so you have to, in the question it is given using identities evaluate. So you have to use identities here, and which identity will be applicable for this number, we have to find out it. Okay, next one is 999 whole square. In place of 999 whole square, I can write 1000 minus 2 whole square. 1000 minus 2 means 999 and 98. So A minus B whole square, considering 1000 as A and 2 as B. A minus B whole square, A square minus 2 into A into B plus B square. When we are squaring this 1000 into 1000, we will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3 zeros, extra 3 zeros. Now this one 1000 and minus 400, 2 to the 4000, 2 to the 4 into 1000, 4000 plus 2 square 4. You subtract, and if you subtract this, and you can show the subtraction also in the rough work. This 1,0,0,0,0,0,0 minus 4000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh and minus 4000, you can get 996,000. So you can write 996 0, 0, 0, then plus 4. If you add this plus 4 here, what result you are getting? 996,004. This is the answer. Instead of multiplying 998 into 998, instead of multiplying 998 into 998, we are finding this same value by using identities. Now 297 into 303. You have to use identity here with the instead of multiplying these two, using identity you have to find the result. So when you are getting this kind of numbers, students, you need to concentrate the larger number. Larger one is 303. So can I write 303 in place in 300 plus 3? Check, can I write 303 equal in this way, 300 plus 3? Now you try, is 300 minus 3 is 297? Yes, 300 minus 3, you will get 297. So this number I can use in this way, that 297 into 303, we will concentrate on the larger one and it will be easy for you to find out which number you have to add. 300 plus 3, then you try 300 minus 3 and you will get this number. Okay, now using a minus b and a plus b. You remember which identity it is? Yes, a square minus b square. So a is our, we are considering this one as a and this one as b. So a minus b and a plus b we are doing. Then a square, that means 300 square minus 3 square. What will be the result? 3 3 is the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros instead of 2 zeros. 4 zeros minus 3 3 is the 9. Subtract it. You will get the result. Now subtract 90,000. 9 from 90,000. You are getting this result 89991. Okay. It will be very easy for you by using identities to multiply instead of multiplying. Understood, students? Come to the next sum. Next sum is question number 8. Evaluate the value. We are using identities 8.9. Students, can I write 10 minus 1.1? You can check 10 minus 1.1. It will be 9, then 2, it will be 8. So can I write 8.1, 8.9. If I subtract 1.1 from 10, we will get 8.9. So instead of 8.9, I am writing 10 minus 1.1 whole square. Now it is 8, this one we are considering as A and this one we are considering as B, A minus B whole square. So we can write A square, that is 10 square minus 2 into A into B 1.1, 2 into A into B plus 1.1 whole square. 10 tens are 100 minus 2 into 10, 20 into 1.1, that means 22 plus 1.1 into 1.1, 11 into 11, 121, 2 places of decimal is here. So you will write this. Now subtract 22 from 100, we will get 78 plus 1.21, we will get 0.21, 79.21. 79.21. In this way, if you think and if you practice, the sums will be very easy for you. Now question number 9. 10.5 into 9.5. The same question, using identity you have to find the value. 10.5 means 10 plus 0.5. 10 plus 0.5, can I write? 10.5 means 10 plus 0.5. Yes, of course, because we have already we have done so many sums. Now to find 9.5, Can I write 10 minus 0.5? Yes. If I subtract 0.5 from 10, we will get 9.5. Now again see consonant on this sum a plus b and a minus b. If I consider 10 as 1 and 0.5 as b, I can see that a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so a plus b into a minus b, we can write directly 10 square, that means a square minus 0.5 whole square. 10 square means 100. 0.5 into 0.5 means 5 5s are 25. After 2 places of decimal, so 0.25. If you subtract this one, if you subtract, then you will get, if you subtract 100.00 minus 0.25, then 75.1 carry, so 99, 100 minus 1 means 99. So can I write, can you see the rough work, students? 99.75, if I do this subtraction, do the subtraction and the rough work by your own, then you can write 99.75, and this is the answer of this sum. So whatever we have explained today is on the basis of the identities, question number 6. You have to evaluate few sums by using identities, and when you will see the sums, you have to identify which identity will be applicable, will be suitable for the sums. So practice it, students. Thank you.